Welcome to Anne's review of her Boxycharm by Ipsy for February 2025. And was it charming? We shall find out. They have continued to do a card instead of that newspaper-like thing, which honestly I never thought was really of importance. There is a QR code on the back if you need to know more about your items. Lovely person on the front showing the theme of self-love for February. So they also have upcoming important dates for customization of boxes, and it shows a little bit about what else is available for purchase. All the items in this box are full size. There are 5 of them. They get to pick 2 of them, and then I get to customize the other 3 based on a profile that she filled out when she subscribed, and she also updates the profile every so often. And this first item is from a brand that I've never heard of, Kofi? So this is a nice looking shade. I think it will do well for my skin tone. This is the shade Misty Maple. This is a concealer, and it has a value of $26. Not bad considering the box is around $30. Yes, the box is up to, for a monthly subscription, $32, plus fees, taxes, but shipping is free. So I'm pleased with this choice that they made. The other choice they made was a highlighter from Iconic London. And there is a mirror in here. I'm just trying to not blind everybody in the process. This is a nice looking highlighter, lit and luminous baked highlighter. And I guess maybe lit and luminous is the shade, because I don't see anything else on the back to indicate a name. It has a retail of $29. You can't go wrong with either of these items. I'm very pleased with what they picked for me for the month of February. And considering the box price, hey, the box is paid for and then some. What do you think? Which one do you like best? Anne can't decide. She likes them both. Let me know down below. I'm a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. Tell me everything. And now, moving right along with this video, I am so glad that Anne picked this one from Ace Beaute. Oh, just look at those colors and those shimmers. Granted, a few of those are a little bit out of our usual zone, those 2 oranges, but hey, overall, I think this is a great palette. I do too. That's why I picked it. And yes, there is a mirror, and I will be doing swatches in a little while. And in case we forgot to mention it, this is the Whimsical Bloom palette. And it has a retail of $38.99. Next up, I got to make a choice of one of my favorite brands, Dew of the Gods. This is a body scrub in conjunction with Juicy Couture. Very excited about that, and it says in itty bitty print on the back that it has the oils of guava, papaya, and cucumber. So I'm definitely looking forwards to giving this one a try, and its suggested retail is $22. This next item has a retail of $32. It is from Eloise. It is a bronzer palette. Is that right, or is it contour? Sweet Cheeks, and I wrote down that it is a bronzer. And there is a mirror, so let's do this without blinding you. There we go. I have to admit that my choices for this part of the customization were kind of meh. Then again, I do get a lot of boxes, so that could be part of the reason I felt meh about it. So this will go into the Find a Future home box. They do look like nice shades, yet I have so much bronzer I need to pass along, otherwise I'll never make my way through it. What did you see in this half of the box that you liked? Our favorite is the palette. Tell us what you like. I want to do swatches now. I need a brush, please. Okay, she is ready to do some swatches. Here we go. Great artistry with your swatches from the Whimsical Bloom Ace Beaute palette. Thank you. I like swatching. What shade was your favorite? Let us know. Let us know. And a quick look at the nitty-gritty. This box had an overall retail value of $147, which I think is pretty good. It is a $32 box if you go monthly, and I believe there are a couple fees and taxes if you're in an area where you have to pay taxes. I was able to do the annual subscription. My budget allowed that. So I pay $28.75 per box. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yes, there was one product that I'm not wild about. That's okay. It's a great opportunity to try products that we might not normally get to even be aware of. I mean, that concealer, I've never even heard of that brand, Kofi. Anyone else hear of that brand? Thank you for taking the time to watch our video today. We greatly appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. You know the whole routine. Don't forget to check out another video. And we do hope to see you again because we do fun videos. Lots of different things over here. Boxes and battles and you name it, we got it. Hope to see you soon. Excuse me, I think I may have burped. Gassy Camel. Wonderful. Guess it could be worse. Sorry, Gassy Camel. We've noticed.